Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Knorr soup. First, select your favorite Knorr soup flavor and locate the cooking instructions on the back of the packet. Most Knorr soups require just a few simple steps and minimal ingredients, typically only water. You will need a saucepan and a whisk or spoon. Preparing this delicious soup takes only a few minutes, making it a perfect quick meal or snack. Before you begin heating, it is crucial to measure the water precisely as indicated on your Knorr soup packet. For many varieties, this might be around 2½ cups of water for one packet. Pour the measured water into a saucepan, then add the entire contents of the Knorr soup mix. Whisk or stir the mixture well to ensure there are no lumps and the powder is fully dissolved in the cold water. Now, place your saucepan on the stove over medium heat. Continue stirring occasionally as the mixture heats up to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Once the soup comes to a gentle boil, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for the duration specified on the packet, which is often around 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop and the soup to thicken. Once your Knorr soup has simmered for the recommended time, remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot soup into serving bowls. For an extra touch, consider adding a swirl of fresh cream, some chopped parsley, or crunchy croutons. This quick and comforting meal is ready to enjoy in under 15 minutes from start to finish, offering a warm and satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.